In this video, I will be showing you all of the newest working codes for 99 Nights in the Forest as of December 2025. Every code you are about to see is fully active right now for the brand new month and can be redeemed immediately. These codes will reward you with free gems, new classes, boosts, and many extra bonuses you do not want to miss. I am also running a holiday giveaway for everyone watching. A handful of viewers will be selected to receive gems, rare classes, exclusive game passes, and other limited rewards. To enter, simply like the video, subscribe with notifications turned on, watch the entire video without skipping, and comment your Roblox username so I can find your entry. Everyone who likes the video will receive 700 gems, and anyone who watches until the very end will receive 1,000 gems. There are several hidden bonuses throughout the video, including a special surprise that appears only for a moment. Make sure you stay until the final second. Since December has just started, there are brand new holiday and winter-themed codes that only appear on screen for a short time. If you skip even a few seconds, you might miss a limited code or an extra reward that will not return later. There is also a special end-of-video bonus that gives you even more gems and loot, so stay tuned. Here is how to redeem the codes. Tap the gems icon in the bottom left corner, then press the codes button in the bottom right. A text box will appear. Enter each code exactly as shown on the screen. Make sure you have liked the 99 Nights in the Forest Roblox game and joined the official developer group because some codes only work for group members. It is also recommended to redeem codes inside a private server to ensure you are on the latest version of the game. Keep watching, because I will be giving out more gems, classes, candy, and game passes to viewers who stay until the end and comment their username. Several hidden rewards are placed throughout the video, so do not click off early. Now let's go over every new working code for December 2025. If you see a code marked as invalid or expired, do not worry. Just move on to the next one and redeem as many as you can before they disappear.